I did a big article on this earlier a week or
Very
so
good job.
ago, and I was talking to Scott Teal about it. And one of the things I learned that I didn't know is that most of the photos out there of the masked dominoes are not Pepe Lopez.
Yeah,
Most of them are Bulldog Ellis, isn't it?
yeah.
Uh, Cliff,
Cliff,
Cliff, Cliff,
Cliff, Cliff Lilly.
Cliff Lilly. That's right.
Yeah.
Isn't it Bulldog Cliff Lilly?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Bulldog Cliff Lilly. And he left the territory, and that's where Pepe Lopez took his place under a mask as a masked
Yeah.
dominoes.
You'll see some shows in I think May, maybe early June, where it's maybe just one of the dominoes working a card,
Mm.
and so that must have been that transition period until they found someone to plug in in that spot um, for Cliff Lilly, who I don't know what happened, if it was an injury, if he was just fed up, decided to leave or whatever. Um, they at the time the dominoes were moving from the eastern side of the territory to the western side of the territory. They had been in, I don't know, maybe March is when they came in, and
Yeah, I think in a brief time there, Lilly worked on the east or west side,
yeah,
and Lopez worked east.
that could have been, yeah, yeah, that's
I think
possible.
for a week or so,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
one of them, one I think Lilly worked in Memphis, and maybe Lopez worked in Nashville there for
yeah,
about a week, and then Lilly left.
yeah, yeah. There's some indications of a right, when that happened. That's interesting though, because they were moving to Memphis and um, or the western end. Some of those other cities they had moved them over. The Dominoes, their gimmick, if you will, where you had a tag team where one man was white, one man was black. They had these stark looking outfits that were black and white. The
Right.
upper left might be black, but the your right leg and would be black, and the other side would be white. It was um, a very unique looking outfit for the time, and their manager was J.C. Dykes.
Frank Hester was the black fella,
Hmm.
and yeah.